Yeah. They say success gotta look. Tonight, I'm just trying to fit the picture. Studio lights, everybody watching. Dreams getting louder, my heart still knocking. Empty pockets, but my vision heavyweight. One shot to make it, I can't be late. Call my brother, man, I need a favor. He answered quick, but his voice turned stranger. I don't ask much, just hear me through. There's one thing only you can do. That chain on your neck, I know what it means. More than the diamonds, more than the gleam. Your father wore it, now it's yours to keep. I swear on everything, it'll be back before you sleep. He looked in my eyes, didn't say a word, took it off slow, that silence hurt. Just for the night, don't make me regret those words. Still let go, I ain't forgot them yet. Just for the night, I'll bring it back home. Just for the night, I won't leave you alone. Shining so bright, like I already won. But borrowed gold cannot weigh the sun. Just for the night, that's all that I need. Didn't know one promise could become greed. Camera rolling, everybody cheer. Comments blowing up, my future getting clear. Who's that rapper? Look at that chain. Finally they notice when they say my name. Champagne pouring, music on blast. Nobody thinking how quick moments pass. Wrapped up the shoe, started heading home. Reached for my neck, it was gone. Checked every pocket, checked every seat. Called everybody that I could reach. Ran through the hallway, back to the set. Cold sweat falling, no chain yet. Just for the night, that's what I said. Now every promise running through my head. Lights still flashing, crowd still loud, but fear sounds louder than the applause now. They say success gotta look. Tonight, I'm just trying to fit the picture.